This is the house. Just you can see the house. There is a hole. You can see. They can get out, they can get in. Just take a look. Please don't let the cat out, no matter what they tell you. Thank you. Beautiful. Really, really, really beautiful. Amazing job for these animals, to help these animals. Andrea is making a huge difference to this world. See all this, how they looking at me through the window. It's a rainy day, heavy rain today, but these animals, these babies are safe because Andrea is making, I feel so proud of her, of this amazing job. She's doing an amazing job.